Situational and contextual learning models emphasize that learning is most effective when it occurs in contexts that are meaningful and relevant to the learner. Rather than treating knowledge as isolated facts, these models assert that understanding deepens when learning takes place within a specific context or situation that mirrors real-life applications. Originating from social and cognitive learning theories, situational and contextual learning focus on the idea that knowledge is constructed based on interactions with the environment, tasks, and people around the learner. This approach fosters more practical knowledge and prepares students for real-world challenges by embedding learning in contexts they may encounter outside of the classroom. A key component of situational and contextual learning is the use of real-world contexts to help students understand how knowledge applies beyond academic settings. By engaging with content through authentic scenarios, students develop skills and knowledge that they can directly transfer to their lives and future careers. For example, a contextual learning model in an economics class might involve analyzing real business cases, whereas a science class might explore environmental problems in the community. This approach not only makes learning more engaging, but also helps students grasp the relevance and practical utility of what they are learning, leading to a more memorable and effective educational experience. Situational learning is often grounded in social interaction, where students learn through collaboration, discussion, and shared problem-solving with their peers and instructors. This social aspect is essential in helping students understand different perspectives and approaches to the same task. In a collaborative setting, students can negotiate meanings, share knowledge, and build on one another's insights, deepening their understanding of the topic. This communal approach also mirrors real-life work environments, where people from various backgrounds and skill sets work together to solve problems. By fostering teamwork and communication skills, situational and contextual learning prepares students for professional and social situations outside the classroom. Situational and contextual models are often hands-on, allowing students to learn by doing. Experiential learning, where students are actively involved in a task, enables them to gain first-hand experience with the concepts they are studying. For example, a situational learning model in a marketing course might have students create an actual marketing plan for a local business. This immersive approach helps students to internalize concepts and develop competencies through direct application rather than passive listening or rote memorization. Learning by doing also encourages critical thinking, as students must adapt and respond to the dynamic aspects of real-world situations, making them more adaptable and proficient in problem-solving. While these models provide significant benefits, they also present challenges, especially in terms of implementation and resource requirements. Creating real-world contexts or hands-on projects can require substantial planning, resources, and community partnerships, which might be limited in some educational settings. Additionally, assessing learning in situational models can be complex, as real-world tasks often require a focus on skills and process, rather than simply grading right or wrong answers. However, applications of situational and contextual learning continue to grow in fields like vocational training, business education, and STEM, where practical experience is essential. With the right support, situational learning environments can offer robust, impactful learning experiences. Situational and contextual learning models align closely with the needs of modern education and workforce demands, where practical, adaptable skills are valued. By encouraging students to think critically and learn in relevant, real-world situations, these models not only deepen understanding, but also foster self-efficacy, as students see the direct impact of their learning. As education continues to evolve to meet 21st century needs, situational and contextual learning provide a pathway for developing lifelong learners, who can navigate complex, dynamic environments with confidence and competence.